patient had a trauma that led to widening of her nasal bone and a lot of fracturing around nasal bone, leading to the deformity. If you see the on-table look, we have restructured her bony septum, and according to her, her nose was wide before also, and she wanted a much sharper and a thinner look, which we have created by rearranging her alar cartilages, and you can see the result on table. After the swelling settles down, it's gonna look much better than what you are seeing on the table.
For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.